summary, the opening scene. The opening scene shows the kitchen in the bishop's house. It is simply furnished. Simply furnished. माने बेसी जोर माने ताको सजा हैनी. Simply furnished. Okay. On the furnished माने सजा हवा. On the mantelpiece are two beautiful silver candlesticks. Okay. These are candlesticks. Achhi. It is the winter season. The window exposes the woodland scene outside. So window exposes. This is the winter season. The window exposes. Exposes means through window we can see the woodland scene outside. Okay. Outside scenery. The bishop and his sister. The bishop's sister Persum is seen laying the cloth while Mary, the maid, laying the cloth means what? Rakhutila. Laying means acha. While Mary, the maid, is seen stirring some soup on the fire. Okay. So she was seen stirring. Stirring means what? Ghantutila. Person seems to be irritated. Okay. She is worried about her brother who has gone somewhere in the extreme cold. Okay, she learns that he has gone to see Mary's ailing mother. Mary ro ma rogila ma ku dekhiyaku jaichi. Okay, ailing mother. L. She burst out in anger at the carelessness. Burst out in anger means okay. मैंने जो कहती burst into laughter, but burst, okay. So she burst out in anger at the carelessness of her brother and at the selfishness of people. How people are calling in at this time, right? So study the selfishness of people who go on troubling him. What do you mean by go on? No, continuing. So who go on troubling him. So they are going on troubling him to her brother. Okay. She has genuine reasons to get provoked. Actually, genuine माने ठीक reason अच्छी तारा to be provoked. माने कौन? ये जो रागियो. Okay. The bishop has already sold his estate, furniture, and many other valuable things to help the poor and the needy. So बहुत बिकी सारी चीज. Okay. Persum is shocked to learn that he has even sold his silver salt cellars. तार जो salt cellars थला जो नूना रखा जाए, right? So that was also sold to help mere Gringor, okay, an old ailing lady to pay her rent. So that was the mother of this maid, Mary. Okay, Persum's anger. The bishop arrives. He at once asks Mary to go back to tend her ailing mother. To tend, man देखिए कुछ बहुत mother पर. He gives her his comforter so that she could save herself from the cold. Okay, he gives her his comforter. तार निज ड्रेस टा जो cold पाई से ताकू दे देला. Okay. Persum shows her anger for his foolish generosity. What do you mean generosity? Dayashila. Okay. Generosity. She says that he will be soon left with nothing. ये जो generosity जोगु, ये जो kindness, benevolence जोगु, okay, he may be empty-handed at soon. Okay, she says that she will be soon left with nothing. You will sell your candlesticks next. So that will be your next selling. Okay. Yes, that will be sold out. She remarks in anger. The bishop thanks her for giving him and the idea that he has candlesticks to help someone in need. So she कहला जे बढ़िया जिनस बते देलु मते, though he doesn't like to part someone in need. Sorry, he doesn't like to part with them. से तांकु हरेवा को चाहू नथला हैला, पार्ट माने निजटू छड़ेया को चाहू नथला, राइट, as they are gifts from his dying mother. ता मदर जेतेबेले मरि जाउथला से ताकू देथला. Okay, at the time of her death. So he was not interested to sell them candlesticks. Okay, the entry of the convict. Person takes leave of him. Okay, leave of him after a while. काहाटू से बिशप टू कहिकरी गला. The bishop settles down to read in his room. ता रूम रे बसी पढ़िला. It is almost midnight. A convict enters the room. बंद कर देगा. The convict enters the room stealthily. चोरी चोरी का. Okay, stealthily. चुप्पी मैंने जो चुप्पी चुप्पी आसिला लुचि लुचि. He seizes the bishop from behind. Seizes माने कौन? धरी पकड़ा. He seizes the bishop कौन? From behind and demands something to eat at once. हठात किरी कहला मते किछि दियो. He threatens to kill the bishop if he raises an alarm. Alarm माने से जदि पार्टी करियो, जदि चिल्लाइबो ताले से मार दो. The bishop remains calm. He assures the convict that he will have food. हाँ तू खाइबू रो व्यस्त. He goes and wake up his sister Parsam and asks her to serve some food to the victim, to the convict. Hello? Parsam gets frightened on seeing a knife in the convict's hand. से देखला Parsam उठी की देखला गोटे knife. The convict eats greedily. Hello? Convict खाइला. The convict tells his sorrowful tale. After having served him supper, the bishop engages him in conversation. The convict opens up slowly and tells him about himself and his sad story. He tells him how he was once a normal man. He had a wife and a home. He was out of work. तार हेतु किसी काम नथिला. काम ता पाखे नथिला. काम नथिला, काम पाई नथिला. His wife was very ill. He stole to feed his sick wife. Stole. ताको चोरी कला. To feed, his sick wife and was arrested. He was sentenced to 10 years in prison. Okay. So, ताको 10 वर्ष जेल हला. The prison was a hell. He was often beaten mercilessly. Mercilessly माने cruelly, दयालु. हला ताको often he was beaten. Okay. ताको बाड़ा होतला. He was chained like an animal. He was fed on filth. Filth माने ताको सब माने जोड़ा सब चोपा फपा सब खाइବାକୁ दउतले हैला. खराब जिंस सब जोड़ा filth माने अलिया भलिया जिंस. So one day he escaped. So पळेला. The bishop consoles him and asks him to rest for the night. ताको से बुझेले. Console माने कोन बुझेले. कहले रहिया. He bids him goodbye. या कहिकी बिशप सोइबा को पळे आसे the candlestick missing the next morning person gets up and finds the the convict and the silver candlesticks missing सबू नहीं ये भी नहीं कि candlesticks नहीं she raises an alarm माने जोरे पाटी कला and informs the bishop about the theft इन चोरी हो जाइछ बोली कहे the bishop is also upset at the theft of the candlesticks से भी upset हो गले तंकर भी इच्छा नथला however he decides not to report the theft to the police को देबन बोली decide कर the convict is arrested next thing soon a police party comes with the convict in handcuffs the handcuff पकेगिरी से आसे the sergeant says that convict has been arrested on suspicion of stealing the bishop's candlesticks suspicion माने ताको संदेह रे से माने गिरफ करछंती the bishop tells him that the man is his friend ता सांग and the candlesticks were his gift to him candlesticks से ताको देइतिले बोली कहले the police frees the convict and goes away तापर से पळेले पुलिस the bishop blesses the convict is surprised and moved by the bishop's magnanimity okay तार जो इन द हाइनेस हला सेथरे से माने तरली गला moved by the bishop's magnanimity he promises to reform himself से जो निजे प्रॉमिस कला हला जे मु निजे को रिफॉर्म करी चेंज करी रिफॉर्म चेंज and begin his new life हला से कला मु एथराउ begin his new life anew नुआ परिका मु लाइफ को गढ़ी the bishop blesses him ताको से ब्लेस कला okay he gives the candlesticks to him and shows him a safe path through the woods जंगल दे गोटे सेफ पाथ ताको से देखेले to Paris से बाटे to Paris the convict is dumbfounded okay आश्चर्य हो गला dumbfounded bishop asks him to remember that this poor body is the temple of the living God okay so the bishop asks him to remember ताको से कहले एई कथाटा मने रखियो that this poor body is the temple of the living God okay माने our body who is there God is okay clear so anytime any person if any person can also be changed okay if he is a very here a thief 10 years imprisoned okay he has been imprisoned 10 years still he has changed clear changed